Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss the topic of factor. So today we will do what is factor. So factor is a number which divides the given number exactly without leaving any remainder. What does it mean? कि फैक्टर वो नंबर होता है जो डिवाइड करता है एक नंबर को exactly without leaving any remainder. Suppose you have to find out factors of 21. So how will you find out? You will find out कि जो 21 है वो किस किस नंबर से एग्जैक्टली डिविजिबल है और जिसमें रिमाइंडर 0 आता है. इट इज कम्प्लीटली डिविजिबल. सो यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द फैक्टर्स ऑफ 21. हाउ विल यू फाइंड आउट फैक्टर्स ऑफ 21? So first of all, 1 is a factor of every number. Whenever you have to write the factors of any number, so first number will be 1. So 1 is a factor of every number. And second thing is, every number is a factor of itself. Suppose you have to write the factor of 21. So 21 will be also the factor of 21. So these two numbers are important. 1 is a factor of every number and number itself. Number itself is a factor of given number. So first factor is 1. Second you will try with 2, whether 2 is a factor of 21 or not. So how will you do? You will divide 21 by 2. So if you divide 21 by 2, you will see that there is remainder is not 0. 21 is not exactly divided by 0. Is not exactly divided by 2. So we can say that 2 is 21, that 21, 2 is not a factor of 21. 2 जो है वो 21 का फैक्टर नहीं है, बिकॉज 21 को अगर आप 2 से डिवाइड करते हो तो रिमाइंडर 0 नहीं आता. फैक्टर की क्या कंडीशन है कि वो जो नंबर है कम्प्लीटली डिविजिबल होना चाहिए और रिमाइंडर 0 होना चाहिए. सो 2 इज नॉट ए फैक्टर ऑफ 21. नाउ लेट्स ट्राई 3. If you divide 3 by 21, you will see that 21 is exactly divisible by 3. So if you divide 21 by 3, so quotient is 7. 3 7s are 21. So we can say that 3 is a factor of 21. Now if you try by 4, if you divide 21 by 4, you will see that 21 is not exactly divisible by 4. There will not be remainder of 0. Remainder will not be 0 when you divide it by 4. So 4 is not a factor. 2 is not a factor. 4 is not a factor. And if you try with 5, if you divide 21 by 5, you will see that 5 is also not a factor of 21, because if you divide 21 by 5, remainder will not be divisible. It is not completely divisible. And if you so 5 is also not a factor of 21. So if you try 6, if you divide 21 by 6, so it is also not completely divisible. Remainder will not be 0. So 6 is also not a it's not a factor of 21. So let's try 7. If you divide 21 by 7, so 21 is exactly divisible by 7. 7 3s are 21, you can say. So 7 is a factor of 21. So last number will be the number itself. Which one is the last number? Number itself will be the last number. So we can say that 21 is exactly divisible by 1, 3, 7 and 21. So these are the factors of 21. So this is the way to find out whether a number is a factor of another number. Okay, I hope you understood. So now next we will discuss that how to find out the factors of any number. If you are given how to find out the factors of 36, you have to find out the factor of 36, and how will you do? Firstly, 1 is a factor of every number, you know. Firstly, we will start with 1. If you divide 36 by 1, what will be the quotient? Quotient will be 36. So its factor will be 1, 36. First factor will be the 1 and number itself. And secondly, now divide 36 by 2. If if you divide 36 by 2, the quotient will be 2 1 the 2, 2 8 the 6, 16. The quotient will be 18. So it is 36 is completely divisible by 2 and remainder will be 0. So we can say that 2 is a factor of 36 and 18 is also a factor of 36. जो quotient आता है वो भी factor होता है. So you will write 2 multiply by 18. 18 is quotient. 18 कहाँ से आया? When you divide 36 by 2, so 18 will be the quotient. So 2 and 18 are also factors of 36. Now try with 3. If you divide 36 by 3, you will see that if you divide 36 by 3, the quotient will be 12. 3 1 the 3, 3 2 the 6. So it is also 36 is also completely divisible by 3. Remainder is 0 in this case. So 3 is also a factor of 36. Now try 4. If you divide 36 by 4, what will be the quotient? Quotient will be 9. So it will be 4 9s are 36. So 4 and 9 are also factors of 36. Now try with 5. If you divide 36 by 5, you will see that it is not completely divisible and remainder will not be 0 when you divide 36 by 5. So we see that 5 is not a factor of 36. 5 is not a factor of 36. Now try another number 6. If you divide 36 by 6, you will see that quotient is 6. So 6 is also a factor of 36. So we have seen that what are the factors. Whenever you have to write the factors, how will you write? You will have to write in ascending orders. Like what is ascending order? Ascending order means firstly you have to write small number, then big, after that bigger. So सबसे पहले इसमें छोटा नंबर क्या है? Which one is the smallest number? 1. You will write first 1, then 2. You will follow this order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. There is no need to write 6 again. 6 is already written. 6, after that 9, 12, 18, 36. So factors of 36 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. These are factors of 36. So what I told you, that 1 is a factor of every number and every number is a factor of itself. 36. So its factor is 36 also. So one more thing I want to tell you, that factors of a given number can either be equal or less than a given number. Suppose you have to find out the factors of 36. So its factor या तो इससे क्या होंगे? It can be less than 36 से या तो कम होंगे या फिर 36 होगा, but it cannot be more than 36. 36 से ज़्यादा नहीं होंगे. And factor also limited. इसके इससे ज़्यादा factor नहीं हो सकते. So that's the all factors of 36. So these are also some properties of factors, that one is a factor of every number and every number is a factor of itself, and factors of a given number can either be equal or less than a given number. So in next question, if you have to find out the factors of 45. Now how will you start? I told you that you have to start with 1. So 1 is a factor of every number. So firstly you will write 1. If you divide 45 by 1, what will be the quotient? Quotient will be 45. So 1 by 45 is a factor of 45. Now divide 45 by 2. You will see that if you divide 45 by 2, it is not completely divisible. If you divide 45 by 2, there will be some remainder and remainder will not be 0. So 2 is not a factor of 45. So next number is 3. If we try 3, so if you divide 45 by 3, then the quotient will be 15. 15 3 the 45. So it is completely divisible. 3 is completely divisible by 4. Completely divisible by 3 and remainder is 0. So 3 is a factor of 45 and 15 is a factor of 45. So 1, 45, 3 and 15. Next number we will try by 4. If you divide 45 by 4, you will see that remainder will not be 0, remainder will be 5. It is not completely divisible. 4 is not completely divisible by 45. So 4 is not a factor of 45. So if we try next number like 5, if we divide 45 by 5, we will see that there will be quotient will be 9 and remainder will be 0. So we can say that 5 is a factor of 45 because it is completely divisible and remainder is 0. So now you can try with 6 also. If you divide 45 by 6, so you will see that remainder is not 0. And so we can say that 6 is not a factor of 45. Now try with 7. If you divide 45 by 7, so remainder will not be 0. It is not completely divisible. So we can say that 7 is not a factor of 45. So I can say that 2 is not a factor and 4 is also not a factor. 5 is factor. 6 is not a factor. 7 is also not a factor. So these numbers are not factors of 45. 8 is also not 45. Yes, if you divide it by 9, it is completely divisible by 9. 9 5s are 45. If I write 9 multiplied by 5, we have already written 5 by 9. So this is the same thing. There is no need to write 9 by 5. 5 by 9 पहले से ही लिखा हुआ है. 5 और 9 are factors. So there is no need to write 9 by 5. So we can see that factors of 45 are, you have to write in ascending order. Like if you have to write the factors of 45, how will you write? First factor will be 1, 3, 5, then 9, 15, 45. So these are factors of 45. So factor is a number which divide the given number. In this what we have seen, ये जो सारे numbers हैं ये exactly उसको divide कर रहे हैं 45 को जो factors है, और without leaving any remainder means remainder is 0. So this is the definition. So these all are numbers. In this case 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9. These all number exactly divisible 36 and there is remainder 0. And in this case 1, 3, 5, 9, 15, 45 are these numbers which exactly divide 45. So these are all factors of 36 and these are factors of 45. Okay, bye everyone. That's all.